welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm bringing you a haul, and it's gonna be a ZAFUL haul. Now, I haven't done a ZAFUL haul in so long on my channel, and yeah, I'm really excited to be collaborating with them again on this video. Thank you so much to ZAFUL for sending me these items. I have got a discount code with them as well, just to help you guys out. I will leave it on the screen here, and I will leave it in the description down below too. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. If you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go follow me over on my social medias, and yeah. Let's get on into the haul. So, as you can see, I am stood up, and I actually wanted to try just doing a haul this way for a change. If you go back a few videos ago, I did my Love in Town video standing up, and you know what, I actually quite enjoyed it. And I just think for a haul, when I'm doing try on clips as well, it's just going to be so much easier just to be stood up, because when I'm sat down, after I've done the sit down video, I can't be bothered. Like, I can never be asked to do the try on clips afterwards. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to try standing up, and maybe then I will be asked to do the try on clips. No, I am going to be bringing you try on clips today for this video, so don't you worry. I have got this massive bag here. Also 2 more items here as well that they sent separately. I don't think these fitted in there for some reason. I don't know. This massive bag here of goodies to show you. So yeah, I'm just gonna dive right in. Wow. Now I'm gonna start with a little accessory piece. So I saw these on the website and I just thought they were so cute. So in my ears, I have like multiple piercings, as you can see. Like this. Like I have 3 holes each side. And then I also have like a 4th here on this side. Excuse this horrendous spot. I've been getting like cystic spots at the minute, and I really don't know why. If anyone knows why you get cystic spots, like I have not had any in so long. I had a massive one on my forehead the other week, and then now I've got one on my cheek, and they are so painful. Like honestly so painful. But anyway, yeah, these come with 3 earrings, or is it 4? Oh, 4 earrings. So they come with 3 like looped earrings, as you can see here, and then they also come with a cuff. So I bought 2 packs because it was only like for one side, or you could obviously mix and match, but I wanted them all in like one ear, and then I just thought, you know what, I'll buy these, so then I've got them matching in case I don't want to wear them all. I just want to wear like matching but in either ear, if that makes sense. I know that I've just rambled that like so badly, but yeah, no, that is like my thought process with it. So yeah, I just thought they were really cute. I'll pop a picture on the screen from the website on ZAFUL, because I think you'll probably be able to see them a lot better on there than me just showing them to you. But I'm going to save these for my festival that I've got at the end of August, because yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking them there. On the ZAFUL website, when I was ordering, they had like this offer on. If you added a bikini to your basket, you then got another bikini either half price or free. I think it was like buy one get one free actually. Buy one bikini and get another free added to your basket. I'm not sure. And I'm not sure if they're still doing that now. But anyway, that is like the deal that I saw on there, and I was like, you know what? Why not? I'm going to do that. So I picked up these 2 bikinis. First one, I love these little bags by the way. These are going to come in so handy for my festival. When I went to my festival last year, not so much these ones, but like the bigger ones, I used them for like just having all my outfit in one bag. So I had, obviously I was there for 4 days, so I had 4 different bags with each outfit in, all the accessories that I was going to wear with that outfit, socks, knickers, you're good to go. Like, it worked amazingly, so I'm definitely going to be doing that again this year. Anyway, back onto the bikini. So this is the really, really cute top. Hoping to go on holiday again this year where I can wear these, but how gorgeous. Love it. It's like a gorgeous, straps are like this plaited detail. I just love this print. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, that is what it looks like. It's got like these cut out pieces on the side too. And then the bikini bottoms are my favourite style of bottom. So you've got these really thin straps on the side which you can really pull high up on your hips. So flattering. And then obviously they're just like the bikini style brief. Like not a thong, but they still make your bum look really, really nice. So that is what they look like. They've got the plaited detail again on each side. How cute is this bikini? I absolutely love it, and I love the colour. The next one is the exact same style. I just thought, you know what, I love that bikini, so I want it in a different colour. Exact same style of bikini, just a little bit of a different pattern. And it just looks like so. It's a neon yellow colour. If you can see that, I don't know if it's going to come off on camera as well as it does, but yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous yellow colour with these like flowers on it. Love it. The same style again at the front with the plaited straps. The bikini bottoms. Print is just adorable. I absolutely love it. So I got my swimsuits in size medium just because of my boobs. I always need to like size up in my boobs. And to be fair, the pants don't look like too big. Like sometimes you can order bikinis for your top half, but the bottom half be like way too big for you. That's especially how it works for me sometimes. But these ones actually look like they'll fit fine. So yeah, hopefully they will. I'm not going to be trying my bikinis on in today's haul, so sorry about that. But if you go onto the ZAFUL website, I'm not sure if they do the picture reviews things, so then you can see what they look like on different body types. But yeah, I'm not going to be trying them on today, I'm afraid. Sorry. This is a little crop top, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love this so much. How bloody cute is this? So it says farm fresh peaches, organic, non-GMO and local, all natural. I just thought it was super cute. I love these type of tops with like cargos. I've got a pair of cargos that this will go perfectly with, so I just picked it up. It's that really, really nice soft rib material as well. The thing that I loved about it was obviously the print on the front. I just love little printed crop tops. I just think they are adorable, and yeah, I cannot wait to style that. I can't remember what size I got this one in. It's a mixture of like small and medium that I got things in. I got this in a size small. So cute, and I can't wait to try it on. This thing I am so sad about, because as soon as my ZAFUL parcel got here, I tried this on straight away, and I absolutely love it. It's this really cute cargo style skirt. It's shorter at the front and longer at the back, and it's got like these little pleats, but it just doesn't fit me. I'm so sad. I wish I got a size medium, but trouble is with sizing, like sometimes I am a medium and sometimes I'm not. Like from ZAFUL before, I've got a medium and it just be way too big around my waist, but then other things like fit perfectly, and same with the size small. So I just think I'm such an awkward size. Sometimes things do like fit me and sometimes things just don't, and this is one of them things where I really needed to size up. So I think I'm just gonna have to order the size up in this, and yeah, I'm just gutted about it because it's so cute. It would have looked adorable with that crop top that I just showed you as well. I absolutely love it. It's got these pockets, the cargo pockets on the side, and they're actually like those type of pockets that aren't attached, like they're like little flaps. Button detailing, zip as well. Yeah, I got it in a size small, and yeah, I'm just absolutely gutted because this was one of my favorite things. But yeah, as I get it up, it just will not go past my bum. I'm so sad about it, but it's a gorgeous skirt, and I definitely recommend getting your hands on it because it's just adorable. And I love the colour as well. It's this really cute khaki green. This is another little crop top, just a plain black one. Didn't really need to pick this up actually, because when I did my Primark haul yesterday, I have actually picked up some black crop tops in there. But oh well, can never have enough staple little crop tops. So pick this one up here. Really nice, soft material. I got it in size, what size did I get it in? Size small. And yeah, perfect little staple piece. So I've been seeing a lot of like long skirts recently, and I absolutely love this when I saw this on the website. So it's a long, would you say long or midi skirt? And it's so soft. It's a really nice material. Almost feels like a swimming costume material. It's got this like ruche detailing at the side. This is gonna just look so much better on in the try on clip. It's one of them skirts that really makes your bum pop. It's got an elasticated waist, and yeah, I just absolutely love it. It's this floral print as well in a gorgeous blue colour. I love it. It is so nice. I'm really not a like long skirt kind of gal, but recently I have actually bought like a few long skirts, so hopefully I will wear them and they won't just sit in my wardrobe, because whenever I'm like picking out clothes to wear, I'll always just pick out like a little crop top, my joggers, leggings, cycling shorts. It's always the same thing. Hope I'll start picking out like some really nice clothes to wear. But you know what it's like when you just pick what you know you're going to be comfy in. Here I have some denim shorts. Now I needed another pair of denim shorts and I got these ones. I swear I picked these up in a size medium, but these are a size large and honestly they are humongous. Like they are so big and I just know already that they are not gonna fit me. So yeah, I don't think I'll be able to wear these, and I don't know, I can't remember picking this shade. Like, I can't remember picking this colour because this colour denim isn't really my kind of vibe. I like lighter washes of denim more. You know what, even if they fit me, I just don't think I'd pick them out and wear them, just because I just don't like the wash of denim. I don't remember if I did pick this wash of denim. I might have done it might have been my mistake. Probably was, you know. But yeah, I definitely know I didn't pick a size large. I swear I didn't pick a size large. But hey ho, trial and error, hey. We all make mistakes. But anyway, yeah, these are the shorts. I really like the style of them, but if they were just a different wash of denim, obviously a bit smaller as well, then maybe I'd like them. But yeah, I'm not keen on this wash of denim at all. This top is so cute. I love it. So it just looks like so. How adorable is that? Look at the little teddy bear. It's so sweet. I love this colour. It's like a really nice corally pink. It says NASA and it's a little teddy bear in a spacesuit holding the American flag, and it says, "This is my space." So sweet. I normally don't really like tops like this, but I thought this looked such good quality. And yeah, this with cycling shorts when I'm going to work, just be perfect. I'll probably even wear this tomorrow. I got this in a size, what size did I get it in? A size medium, UK 10, just so then it's that little bit of a like baggier fit for me. And yeah, I love it. There's no other thing to say about this top. I just think it is super, super cute. So I love my cargos and I haven't got a black pair. So I thought, you know what, let's just pick up a black pair and see what I think. So when I was browsing the website, I saw these ones. These aren't gonna look great like without trying them on, because obviously they're black, but they have pockets here, as you can see, a little tiny pocket there, and then also a pocket there. Yeah, these are really cute. They also have the pockets on the back with the flaps too. The only thing with these is they smell like salt and vinegar, like they really need washing. But yeah, no, I really do like these, so I'm just gonna have to throw them in the wash, that's all. But yeah, so I got these in a size small. See, like, what was I thinking? I got these in a size small, apparently, and I got the shorts in a size large. Like, there's no correlation with all of the sizing. What else did I get? Oh, that skirt. I got that skirt in a size, what skirt? Was it size small? Like, I don't know what I was doing. So on to the last two things now. I have got this little top here. Now I picked this top to go with that skirt because I just thought it'd go so well. Khaki green skirt with a little camo crop top. I just think this is adorable. I love this. But I don't have anything camo, so I just thought, you know what, this little crop top is really, really cute and I like it. So it's the classic like khaki, white and black print of camo, and yeah, it's adorable. I got it in size medium. Why did I get it in size medium? I swear I picked it up in size small. I don't know, like, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's all my fault or if it's like there wasn't the other size in stock or anything like that. I don't know. But anyway, I got it in size medium. Honestly, there is no rhythm with this haul when sizing wise, because it's confusing me so much. So this last item is another really cute little crop top. It's a really, really soft material. It's making like it really wash out, but there we go. Now you can see it a little bit better. It's got this tie bit at the front as well. It's actually double lined where your boobs are, so that is good. So then obviously, hopefully it's not see-through. That's the only thing with white clothing, isn't it? Like the chance of it obviously being see-through. Fingers crossed the straps aren't going to be too big, because the only thing with these straps, obviously they're not adjustable, so sometimes I have trouble with like the straps like being too big and like they'll fall off my shoulder. But I think this top's so cute. The boob bit is like a double layered material, and it's like, it looks really, really fancy, you know. It doesn't look like it's from ZAFUL, basically. It is so cute. So yeah, I'm excited to try that on too. I think this with some light wash denim shorts would just look so nice. So yeah, that is the last thing of the haul. That is the haul all finished. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure if you're shopping on ZAFUL to use my discount code. I'll leave it on the screen and in the description down below too. If you haven't already, make sure you go follow me over on my social medias. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!